Welcome to the Appysmarts STEM Lab. Today we're putting our number guessing skills to the test with some very funny monsters from the Endless Numbers app. Here's how our lab challenge works. I'm going to show you a quick animation first. Watch the monsters closely and see if you can guess which number is hiding. Once the number is revealed, we'll count it out together to see if you were right. Are you ready to use your math brain? Let's jump in.
It is hard for little Blue to ride a unicycle because it only has one wheel. 1.
achoo! 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 Achoo!
Pistachio, Yoshi, and Pinkerton sneezed 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9!
Five raindrops fell onto Pinkerton's head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5!
Pinkerton can balance 10 books on his head. 10.
10!
Abby has 3 eyes and needs special sunglasses to shade them all from the sun. 1, 2, 3.
3!
It took a minute for Dapper Dandy to find all 8 planets in the solar system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8!
Tuttle was a bit scared when he found 2 skunks in the wilderness. 1, 2.
2!
Sunny has 6 very wiggly arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6!
There were 4 monster babies in the baby carriage. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Grumpkin eats sardines on all 7 days of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
A P P Y S M A R T S.
Are you ready for more? Subscribe to Appysmarts.